Sunday morning, the 16th of November, 2025. We haven't gotten this video in a while. This is Barrett Parkway. That is I-75. North is to the right, south is to the left. We're going to go Barrett Parkway. We're going to try to hook up with Johnson Ferry somewhere over there. I've forgotten where this stuff comes out. But anyway, we're going to try to take Johnson Ferry from its northernmost point all the way through Sandy Springs down into Atlanta to where it dead ends. Now just look at all this. This has all been done since I've been here. I don't know anything about where that goes. Go to the Home Depot or something other up there. We used to be up here all the time, and I'm very seldom ever up here anymore. But all this is new, obviously. Brilliant deduction, wasn't it? Coming up to Barrett Parkway, west is to the left and east is to the right. I think Barrett dead end or changes names up here, doesn't it? There's Town Center, whatever it is over there, the mall over there. What a nightmare this place is, in my opinion. Well, they said it was going to be clear today. I had my doubts for a while, but it looks like it's going to clear up. Okay, coming down to 575, north is to the left, south is to the right, and it merges with 75 right down there to the right, about 1.5 miles, 2 miles, something like that. We first started coming up here doing contract work. There wasn't anything to eat on Barrett Parkway. What, the Chick-fil-A was all there was to eat. Then they opened a Steak and Shake, I think. That would have been around 98, about 27 years ago. Uploaded one video with the S20. This is with the S20. We are getting another video ready with the S22 Ultra now. We'll start uploading it when it gets ready. Bell's Ferry Road crossing. This change? What is this now? This is Piedmont Road. Okay, Piedmont Road. This may be just right. It may be where Johnson Ferry dead ends into Piedmont. I used to be able to tell you, but not anymore. That would be good if it does. We'll get this, which we haven't had in a long time, and then we can get Johnson Ferry complete. Good bit of color left. I'm enjoying this. We're going to stop this, and we got the camera doing some kind of following something funky thing going on here. There. Piedmont Church. Red Dodge Ram truck. I don't know about that. what to think about that. Okay, we are coming down to, I used to know, Canton Road, which would be Georgia 5. I think. Boy, that light held forever. We should have turned right, went up and did a 180 and come back and made a right turn. We'd already be 5 miles down the road. I think some of these traffic engineers mess with us just to mess with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Make comments. Ask for specific videos, somewhere that you want a video of. If I'm in the area, I will try to get it for you. I try to make these videos where you're in the vehicle riding around with me, whereas us riding around. I'm trying to document as much of the United States as I can before it changes anymore. Our vans, our vehicles have had us limited as to our travels. We've been trying to change that for about 4 years. Haven't been very successful yet, but we're still working on it. That's going to be the thing, heading down Johnson Ferry. That sun's going to be in our eyes a lot. We don't like that type of video. It does not make for good video. Pull in somewhere and clean this windshield too. We're uploading video with basic information. We'll have to fill in all the other stuff later. Interesting little cemetery there. A lot of this stuff has been built since we were up here much. We haven't been up here much now, about 15 years. So we haven't done any contracting in at least, I think the last contracting we did was 2013. Now here is Sandy Plains. North is to the left, south is to the right. Sandy Plains will run up and dead end into Georgia 92. There's another light that held forever. Now that car up front's a student driver, and it says it's got a city tag on it. It says city, and it's got Cobb. So I'm a little bit not bewildered, but I'm curious about that. What city? And they're out driving on Sunday morning. Student driver. I just don't remember where Piedmont comes out. Does it dead end into 120? Or does it go on over? I can't remember. East Piedmont. I hope Johnson Ferry dead ends into this. But we are heading back south, so I think it tells me we're not going to end up where we want to end up. When we get to the end of Johnson Ferry on the north end, wherever we start out, we've got to get a couple of videos squared away and then proceed. And that takes up a lot of time. There's a lot to this, a lot more than people realize, I'm sure. I saw a thing last night about the Swanee River. I noticed the scintilla was real low when we were down there last week. They were talking about how low the Swanee is. We may have to get down there. Get out there in the riverbed, walk across it. There's some autumn color. That's nice. N-I-Z-E, lamb chop. Who remembers lamb chop and whatever her name was? So far, we're sticking to our plan pretty good. Johnson Ferry all the way till it ends at Peachtree or Peachtree Industrial, whatever it does. And then part of Brookhaven, and then go north through the hills. All that could change, but that's our plan right now. Leaves raining down. We've got to check our ladders up there too. We have got them ratcheted, strapped down, but we do not need to let a ladder fly off the top of the van. I was going to get some air conditioning zip ties, those big, thick, long ones, but they were $17, and I don't need but 2 of them. I've got 2 in Athens. Sewell Mill. I see. I used to know where all these roads went and came and everything else, because we were up here doing subcontract work, and I was also showing real estate up here a lot. And I am not showing real estate anymore. I let my license lapse. I don't represent anybody, don't try to show real estate, don't try to sell real estate. I do a little construction consulting. And that's about it. But no real estate. Oh, there's a pretty one. Got a elm. Okay, yeah, this is dead end into 120. Okay, us end this, we're going to turn left down here, and we will go to Johnson Ferry, go left on Johnson Ferry till it dead ends, and then come all the way back down Johnson Ferry.